Welcome to Noise Complaint, the Stranger's audio, video, music podcast. Today's episode, Flesh Produce.
We live, we die. trucks, tunnels underground. No one man should have all that power. No one man should have all that power. And body bags, all they want is body bags. All I see is body bags, so run that back. No one's sending help. Be a hero, go to moving south, 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 south. Redistribute wealth. Be a hero, no one's sending help, 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 help. Watch what you say. You might not feel it, always receive it. Let's hold away all those evil ways. Make you fear it, misplace the play. Let's go. Your poison, red eye blood. Building subdued textures. Rancid gas on master space. Who are you? In the fire, the heat of the darkness. Speak on the darkness. Fight, flight. Thank you guys so much for having us. Thank you everybody for being here. This is our last song. Also back. So we don't die. Enjoy life. Lights that glow so bright. I so back. Step on the shit, so on. That's on blow. Fucking low, fucking low, fucking low. I'm looping again. I think I'm losing it. Think I'm looping again. Think I'm losing it. It's all black. No back. Take it back. Rest that rest in peace. It eats or no sleep. Forget everything. Use your memory. Never pervading. I see my spectrum. Watching. Place on your life. Sex, money, power. Sex, money, and power. Do something I know you can't get back. What if I got nothing? What if my life got nothing? Do something. What if I got nothing? What if my life got nothing? Do something. What if I got nothing? What if my life got nothing? Rest in peace, it eats or no sleep. Forget everything, lose your memory. Never ending war, I'm dating, don't lose your life. Desperately, desperately, head on fate. Place on your right, sex, one, power. Rest in peace, reality. Wasted time, joy disguise. Consciousness, you'll come by time. Floating up off your head. Spirit red, body dead. Can't remember what I am. Sleep mistake, cannot hear me. What's my life was wildly breathing, stopping, grabbing, shaking, recording. I take life.
Thanks for listening to Noise Complaint, a Noisy Creek podcast recorded live at the Stranger headquarters. Every other week, we bring you a live performance from the Seattle area. To learn more about today's artist, discover other episodes, or submit your own music, visit thestranger.com/noisecomplaint. Today's episode was brought to you by Reanimated Music, an amazing new and used music store in Seattle's University District. Visit them at reanimatedmusic.com. Subscribe to this show at thestranger.com/noisecomplaint or wherever you get your podcasts.